A picture-perfect home on a large lot with 2 greenhouses and a detached garage with electricity. Something for everyone in the family right here. Welcome to 11 Burrows Street in Cambridge. This charming East Galt home features unique details that create a comfortable feeling inside. From the wood stove to the porcelain tiles, this house includes features that truly make it feel like a home. The kitchen is newly renovated and includes custom-built maple cabinetry, granite counters, and sleek appliances. The main floor primary bedroom leads to a stunning ensuite with soaker tub. The upper level features 2 bright bedrooms. Located on a large lot, this home offers plenty of outdoor space and is located in a walkable community. Downtown Galt, just steps away, featuring locally owned shops, river activities, and easy access to the newly constructed Gaslight District. To see this home in person, contact Kathy Long and Luann Hansey from Remax Twin City Realty.